this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more skins here in Bite by Night on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you need to do is get in this little main lobby right here. And once you're in the main lobby, you need to go ahead and find the little shop icon over on the left hand side. Go ahead and select that and you can browse through different categories like survivors or animatronics, just like so. This is where you're going to get all of your skins, but essentially pick a character and we'll go ahead and do the project for this, right? The mimic. Essentially go ahead and select them. It's going to pull up all that information, and then essentially you just got to go ahead and navigate over to the skins tab where you can find a specific skin on here that of course matches whatever one you want. Now, most of these skins are going to be bought using in-game currency or Robux, so select whatever one you want and then hit purchase if you do have enough. It's going to tell you exactly how much it is. Like this one's 2,500 cred, and then of course this one is 3,500, just like so. But that really is it. You can do this for survivors or animatronics. Right now there's a lot more for the animatronics, but I'm sure there'll be more for survivors in the future. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.